think so far it's been good. I can see much improvement since day one we started in terms of tactical discipline. We've been developing or building them slowly and making sure that they get the right information so that that can help them a lot. Like I said earlier on, we don't really have much time, so we're trying to focus on the main important areas and then try to help them understand the situation tactically. So it's going so well, and the players are responding very well. It looks good. Some players have left, others have come in. We're trying to move players from out of position, put them in the right positions, and then some positions. We're trying to play with the positions that we feel can help the team to be very effective. And from where we are now, I believe we are on the right track, and the boys are doing so well. We're taking it a day at a time, like I said earlier on, and I think the team is looking in shape.